3 things that you can do maybe this weekend to reduce the noise coming into your home. If you're a DIY builder and you got noise from neighbours, here's 3 things that you could do just to take the edge off, maybe just to get a slight noise reduction. Things that you can do this weekend might be worth you doing. Number 1 is brick up any holes in the structure. Now you can check the loft, go up in the loft, check for any holes around those purlins, those joists going into the separating party wall. If you have any holes there, brick them up, sand and cement. Don't use spray foam, don't go and chuck rock wool in there, but try not to get sand and cement on your neighbour's belongings. Number 2, a bit more work, would be to pull up the bedroom floors. Again, check for holes in the structure, but while you've got the floors up, insulate those bedroom floors 1.2 metres back from the conflicting party wall. It's a bit more work, but you want to fill the void with the rock wool and of course brick up any holes in the structure that you find. Number 3 would be to insulate any stud walls perpendicular. If you have any stud walls that are connected to that separating party wall, or any void or hollows that are perpendicular to the separating party wall, open them up, insulate them with rock wool and then reboard it. Just treating those hollow voids like that will reduce the noise channeling to the rest of the house. So there you go, there's 3 things that you could do right now or maybe this weekend that could potentially take the edge off or reduce that noise coming from the neighbours.